Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to decide between React Native, Flutter and Ionic, the real question is what kind of app are you building? So let's break it down simply in this video. React Native is built by Meta and allows you to build mobile apps using JavaScript or TypeScript. It uses real native components under the hood, which means your app feels very close to a fully native app. On the other hand, Flutter, created by Google, takes a different approach. It doesn't use native UI components, instead, it draws everything itself using its own rendering engine. That's why Flutter app looks consistent across all platforms. Now, Ionic is different from both. Ionic uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It basically runs your app inside a web view that makes it very easy for web developers to build mobile applications quickly. Now let's dive into some of the features and let's have a tabular comparison of each. As I've already discussed, the rendering approach for all these three are very different. As far as the performance is concerned, React Native is near native performance. Flutter is very high with smooth animations. On the other hand, Ionic is moderate. It also depends on the web view. The programming languages used for native is JavaScript or TypeScript. Flutter uses Dart, whereas Ionic uses JavaScript and TypeScript. The UI customization for each is good for React, very strong for Flutter, and limited for Ionic. React Native is best for business apps, JS teams, while Flutter is good for highly animated and customizable apps. Ionic, on the other hand, is used for simple apps, PWA, and web-based applications. So this is it for today. I hope the comparison is good and it clears up a lot of things and a lot of confusions in your mind. So that is it for this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.